Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a notification to an event on Google Calendar. So for you to add a notification to your event on Google Calendar, here's how you can get it done. Move down to the event date on the Google Calendar, then you double tap on it, then you open another page for you where you can configure the notification of your event. So just click on the notification, this is it right here. You can set a time frame for your event. You can set this, you can see, and there's two notification type. You can set your notification type to your email. You want notification to be sent to your email, you can choose email, and you just a normal regular notification on your phone or your PC. You can also keep this in your notification, so whenever it is time, Google Calendar will notify you, and you can also set your time frame between maybe 3 more minutes to the time, let's say about 30 minutes or an hour to the event. You can also add more notifications depends on you. You can have about 3 notifications based on how you want it. You want like the first notification, the second notification, or the third notification. You can add it. After that, then we're good to go. That's it. If you find this helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.